Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. So I'm going to be doing a soap today and it's actually based on one of my shirts. It's actually a plaid shirt, which I don't wear a whole lot of. And I've done this color combination before based on that. It's going to have white, which is titanium dioxide. It's going to have two greens. One of the greens is cabin fever, which is a really nice kind of sort of olive-like green with a lot of gold undertones in it. The other green is brambleberries hydrated chrome green. And the fourth color is orange. And technically I wanted to use Nurture Soap's orange marmalade, but I don't have quite enough. It's mostly enough, so I am going to supplement the rest with their orange vibrance. I'm going to fragrance this with Brambleberry's Bergamot Black Tea. I have used this in the past. It's been quite a while. It was always one of my favorites. It behaves well, and the scent really holds up in cold process. Love that fragrance. Hence, I got the big bottle. So let's just get started and make some soap. And for the frosting on top, instead of doing a complementary color, I'm going to do a contrasting color. I'm going to put a black frost top on it. I'm soaping at about 81 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for this recipe. So I will carefully bring this up to just barely emulsify. And that's really all I'm going to do because I need plenty of time to get this all split up, get it poured, make sure my frosting doesn't set up too much, and I will stick blend some more. So, this first one, I am just all eyeballing. I know about how much I need for my frosting. And I will set that one aside. And these other four will all be equal, or as close as possible to equal. And that will be the main body of our soap. So here we go. So I'll put the TD in last because it does tend to thicken up just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and do this hydrated chrome green first. I should have dispersed this in oil ahead of time and didn't. It's not a mica and it does tend to be a little bit hard to get broken up and dispersed. But yep, that looks good. So that will also give that just a few minutes to sit. And then the rest of these are micas except for the TD, and they disperse easily. So let's get our cabin fever green. And get it stirred in. Oh, that's mixing up well. Let's get our orange marmalade in. That might be enough. No, actually it's not. I'm going to put just a little smidge of orange vipers to make up the difference. Not quite enough. And I don't want a pale orange. And that looks good. And I forgot to mix up the TD. It's mixed in oil, and I usually give it a quick buzz with my mini mixer beforehand, and I did not, although it looks pretty well mixed. And these are looking pretty darn good, although I can tell they do need to be stick blended some. So let me get some fragrance into each. I'll give them a quick hand stir, a quick buzz with the stick blender, and we will start to pour some soap. Hand stir these lightest to darkest. Everything is looking good. So just a very quick buzz with the stick blender to mix everything and make sure everything's well emulsified. See, literally just a few pulses. And we are way too thin for my liking for a drop swirl, so I will be back. Alright, we are at a consistency that makes me feel fairly comfortable. I'm going to start with the dark green. Two passes of each, our white. Our orange. And our lighter green. And start over. And clean these out. going to frost this, so it won't really matter if we have a pretty top or not, but since everything's behaving well, I'm going to have to wait a little while on the soap frosting to set up. Let's go ahead and put a pretty top on it. I haven't used this fragrance in a while. I've really missed it. It smells just fantastic. Love this fragrance. So let me set this aside, let this firm up, get my soap frosting mix up, and I will see you in a little while. Alright, I'm back and it's time to cut our soap. And so far I'm really pleased with what I'm seeing. So let's just dive right in and see what we have. Yeah, just what I was wanting. So this is just what I wanted. I am super happy with these and they smell fantastic. So that is what I have for right now. And I'll see you folks again this weekend for some more soap. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe. Take good care of yourselves. All right then, bye.